Hello everybody and welcome to A Day to Do It at Paragazan Beach and Weekend Market. So our mission for today is i-check natin kung ano-ano ang pwede natin gawin dito sa Paragazan Beach at Weekend Market. Well, ang Paragazan Beach and Weekend Market ay located sa Barangay Maasin and it's about 9 kilometers away from the city center and it's going west coast of Zamboanga City. So may beach na siya and at the same time meron market at may resort din. So let's see what we can do. Well, first let's do walking tour and check what can we buy. Oh, different fruits spotted! Wow, vegetables are present too. Oops! Fresh seafood spotted too! May mga dried fish din, guys. You may also buy cooked food and ready to eat, guys. Or you can also simply interact with locals. Tara, kausapin natin sila.
Ilit na po na makina. Napunso na, ilit na iba. Anak, ito lang yun. Pero nili sa niya, ilit. Pick up dito. Unsong ma?
say to hi to my vlog. Now it's time to refresh. Let's go to the beach, guys. So, pwede nating kainin yung mga masasarap na pagkain dito sa cottage while enjoying the view of the sea, or pwede lang naman sa mga bato-bato. Pwede nating gamitin as cottage yung mga bato-bato and just simply enjoy the view. And now it's time to swim. Or pwede rin i-enjoy natin yung mga corals. I-check natin kung anong meron or simply collect them. Or just refresh and i-witness natin yung waves ng dagat. Alright, so just have fun and enjoy! Kung di nyo naman type ang dagat, may Cimmar Resort naman na ma-enjoy nyo ang pool. Harap lang siya ng beach. Alright, that's all for today, guys, and I hope na na-enjoy ninyo ang ating tour. So please comment which part of the tour you like the best. Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert but just want to share.